Welcome to our gardening tutorial on how to grow banana peppers. Step 1. Choose a sunny location with well-draining soil. Banana peppers love warm weather, so wait until the soil has warmed up to at least 70°F to 1°C. Best month to start: May or June in the Northern Hemisphere, or October or November in the Southern Hemisphere. Step 2. Start with healthy seedlings or direct sow seeds 1/4 inch deep and 2 to 3 inches apart. Water gently. Step 3. Keep the soil consistently moist, but not waterlogged. Banana peppers need about 1 to 2 inches of water per week. Step 4. Fertilize with a balanced fertilizer once a month. Step 5. Support the plants as they grow by providing a trellis or stake. Step 6. Watch for pests like aphids and whiteflies, and diseases like powdery mildew. Step 7. Harvest your banana peppers when they're firm and glossy, usually 70 to 80 days after sowing. Don't forget to share this tutorial with your friends and family to spread the gardening love. Subscribe. Hit that subscribe button to stay up to date with our latest gardening tips and tricks. Vibrant gardens.